Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kekeli Michael. Today we are going to focus on a very practical and rewarding topic, how breeding your own livestock can help you save money and even generate income, especially during time of high inflation and when the value of currency is falling. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss why breeding your own livestock is such a game changer with rising food prices and economic instability. Having your own livestock can significantly ease the pressure on your wallet. Here are some of the key benefits. One of the most obvious benefits is the cost of saving on animal products. By breeding chicken for eggs, goat for meat, rabbit for also meat, you can cut down the cost of your grocery bill significantly. Imagine not having to buy eggs or milk because they are produced right from your backyard. You check this out. If a family of 4 eats chicken twice a week and they consume 1 whole chicken per meal, that's about 2 chickens per week. If you multiply 2 chickens by 52 weeks a year, you are going to have about 104 chickens per year. Now, assuming they are selling 1 chicken for 100 cedis, that's about 10,400 Ghana cedis. I don't know how much chicken costs around you, but I'm just assuming. When inflation hits, prices of animal produce can skyrocket. Breeding your own livestock helps you to stay ahead of this price increase. Instead of paying more at the store, you can enjoy fresh eggs and meat from your own backyard without worrying about fluctuation costs. I took this video from a hotel in Ho. They basically breed their own food. They got rabbit, they got grass cutters, they got goats, they got chicken, catfish, etc. You name them, as you can see in the video. Another great benefit is the control over quality and quantity of your animal produce. You know exactly what your animals are fed and how they are cared for. No harmful additive or poor living condition. Plus, you can produce as much as you need, reducing waste and ensuring you are always eating fresh animals. Your products are always fresh. Now, consuming home produced animal products means you are likely eating more nutritious, fresh food, which is fantastic for your health. Better health means fewer medical bills, adding to your overall savings. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money from breeding livestock. Here are a few ideas. One, selling excess animal produce to your neighbors. You can sell surplus eggs, milk, and meat at the local farmers market or to your neighbors. 2, start a small farm. If you have enough space, you can scale up and turn your livestock breeding into a small business. 3, you can add value to the products. Create products like cheese, yogurt, or meat products which can fetch higher prices. Offer livestock breeding workshops or farm tour for a fee. Sell animal produce online and offer delivery service. Set up a subscription service where customers pay a regular fee for weekly or monthly delivery of fresh eggs, milk, and other meat products.
You now cross them?
Yes.
For a year?
Yes. Wow. So they are about 3 months, 3 months, 6 days. So tomorrow will be exactly 1 month.
So what do you feed them?
We have the feed, the feed itself, and then sometimes we give them grass. Some of them, they prefer the grass than the feed.
But between this one and the grass cutter, which one will be easy to manage?
Okay, this one is easy to manage.
But you know sell some before. Have you put no sell some before?
The grass cutter.
No, this one.
No.
But you know say grass cutter be expensive past this one.
Oh, yes, it's expensive nowadays.
You know kill some before.
The grass cutters, we kill about 3 of them. And this one,
If you are new to this livestock breeding, here are some practical tips to get you started. 1. Start small. Begin with few easy to manage animals like chicken and rabbits. 2. Proper housing. Ensure that your livestock are well housed in a proper, well protected environment. Clean environment that will give them comfort. Invest in good quality feed and provide regular care to keep your animals healthy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are the only way you can learn and grow. So make the mistake and learn as you progress. Building community of fellow livestock breeders can be incredibly beneficial. You can share tips, buy feed in bulk, and even trade produce. Network with other farmers. Also help you find new customers and expand your business. Breeding your own livestock is not only rewarding, but also a smart financial move, especially in tough economic times. It's a great way to save money, eat healthier, and even make extra income. I hope this video is inspiring enough for you to start your own livestock project. If you have any question or tip to share, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more practical tips. Happy farming.
if you are lucky and they all give birth to 5, 5, or 6, maximum is 6. For them, their breed is maximum is 6. So 6 times 5.
Now, during the cold weather, no, if you control the weather,
No, for them, they like the cool weather down there. Yes. And one thing about them is they know where the feed is, where the water is for them to drink.
Oh, they are using the nipple way.
Yes. They themselves will just go ahead.
Farming made easy.